In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit DocuSign envelope before sending. If you've already sent an envelope and noticed a mistake, don't worry. DocuSign lets you pause it, fix the details, and resend it without starting from scratch. First, head to the Manage page in your DocuSign account. Under the In Progress folder, locate the envelope you want to fix. This is where you'll see envelopes that have been sent but aren't fully completed. Open the More Options menu, the three dots next to that envelope, and choose Correct. You'll see the status change to Correcting. That's your confirmation that signing is temporarily paused, so no one can continue while you make changes. While the envelope is in correcting mode, you can update the documents, recipients, and fields. For documents, use the three-dot menu next to a file to replace it with a new version. You can also delete documents you no longer need, or add additional ones if something was missing. For recipients, you can update a name, fix an email address, or adjust the routing order, as long as that person hasn't signed yet. If someone has already completed their part, their actions are locked, but you can still adjust other areas of the envelope. For fields, open the tagging view to add, move, or remove signature fields, text boxes, dates, and other tags so everything lines up properly on the updated documents. Quick note: I've placed the official DocuSign website link at the top of the description, so you can sign in on the web or download the app if you prefer to work on mobile. When you're done making changes, click next to Review Everything. Take a moment to confirm the correct documents are attached, recipients are in the intended order, and your tags are positioned correctly. When it all looks good, click Correct to save and send the updated envelope. Recipients will automatically get a new notification email with the corrected version, so they'll know to sign the right file. A few important considerations to keep in mind. Only the original sender of the envelope can make corrections. If you didn't send it, you won't see the correct option. If any recipients are using identity verification, they may need to complete that verification again after the correction. And if an envelope is already fully completed or has been voided, it can't be edited. You'll need to create a new envelope in that case. That's the process from start to finish. Pause the signing with Correct, adjust documents, recipients, and fields, review carefully, then click Correct to resend. Thanks for watching.